Hi guys, Kalila here, or Callie. It is a new day. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for this cardigan. What? It's not a cardigan. For this t-shirt. It is currently 11:39. I stayed in bed a little bit and then did a whole morning routine. Now I am here to start and continue this front panel. My goal for today, finish the front panel. I am locking in. I have no choice because I have 2 more days after this for my scheduling to finish this. Okay? If I want to stay on track for the other designs that I plan to crochet up in the upcoming months, because I have a design that I want to do next month, and then another design that I want to do in like October-ish. So, yeah. Anyway, I have to stick to the schedule that I have planned out so that I can keep the schedule of the future. Okay? Anyway, this is the front panel. It is starting here. We will see how things go today, but I will definitely finish this one and then potentially, maybe, probably, hopefully start on the second one today as well. Okay, let's get it.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you. Remembering the holiday party we had with the crew. Romeo was roaming the garden.
Guys. Okay, it's currently 9:56 p.m. All right, I have been slowly working on this all day. Okay, on and off, because I really didn't start until like 12, which is not bad. At all. That's typically when I start doing my stuff for today. Yeah, it's been good. Anyway, I finished the front panel. And now, well, actually, it goes like this. I finished the front panel. So now I'm about to start on the sleeve. Boop. Perfect. I'm just thinking about the other panel. I could do it like this so that it could be the same in the front. Okay, cool. Because this is like this, right? So I'm gonna start the sleeve. I already put a stitch marker where my armhole stops. So that's how my sleeve is gonna be. And this is gonna be the front. I'm gonna do the other front panel the exact same way. And if I did it from here, because I need the sleeve to be on this side, it would be different. So for this stripe to match on the other side, I need to flip it and do the sleeve on that side. Perfect. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna work on the sleeve. The sleeve should not take long. I'm so excited. Like, it's only almost 10 p.m. That means I can start on the next front panel even if I only get the first row done. Oh, that's literally the worst row, okay? Do the first row and then get that done and it'll be great. Okay. Which means 100% I'm finishing the front panel tomorrow, and then I can weave in the ends. Ooh. I will have to dedicate like all my time to make sure I still have daylight. Yeah, okay, that's fine. I took a lot of breaks today, so I can definitely finish the front panel during the daylight time tomorrow. Anyway, let's do the sleeves. I'm going to definitely finish that. I'm just gonna come back once I finish it because honestly, you don't need to see me working on it. It's gonna take 2 seconds. And then I'll come back, start on the other front panel, see if my sisters are gonna stay up, and if they're not, then I'm just gonna do the first row of the front panel and call it a night. And then tomorrow I'll come back, because today and tomorrow I'm gonna put those videos, that footage together. So I'll just see you guys tomorrow after all of that, and then see what we're gonna do with the front panel. Okay, because I kind of adjusted my schedule to kind of give me one more day. So 9 days, but we'll see. I will still have to weave in all of my ends, do the button band, and do the collar, put everything together, obviously, which shouldn't take forever. So I'm thinking I finish this front panel today, do the other front panel tomorrow, and if I don't have enough daylight left to weave in my ends, because I want that to be its own video, then I will do the next day, day 9. Is today day 6 or day 7? Okay, today's just day 6. Oh my gosh, I know, it's day 7. Okay, so day 6, day 7, front panels. Okay, day 8, weave in all of the ends, then do the button band and the collar, and then day 9, block it. Oh, so I can still finish this in 8 days? I can still finish this in 8 days. Let's just see what we get done. It's like 2 hours later, 2.5 hours later. I got slower. I feel like I have eye boogers. I got much slower as I continued. And I'm not going to start the other front panel tonight. Because it just turned midnight. I want to do a little reading, just a little bit. Okay, I'm so tired. I don't know if you could tell from my eyes, but I finished the front panel and sleeve. I love how I do my sleeves for this project. It's like so perfect, but this is the front panel. It is done. Yes, it's so nice seeing my stuff come to life. Like, look at this. Done with the back, done with one of the fronts, and now I'm about to, well, not about to tonight, but tomorrow I will start and finish the second front panel. Okay, it has to be done. I'm putting this together to see if it lines up. It's perfect. Oh my god, it's perfect. Okay, yeah, so front panel done. Next front panel coming tomorrow. Okay, that's all I have to say for now. Good night. Good morning. It's currently 10:07 a.m. I'm with my sisters watching IndyCar. Malika's sewing, Kayla's reading, and I'm about to start the front panel of my second front panel. Wait, I'm about to start my second front panel.
I'm about to start the front panel of my
second front.
You mean the other,
the second front panel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. So this is how much yarn I was left with. A good bit. And this is what I have left. I should definitely have enough for this, because all I have to do is, if this wasn't used fully for the first front panel, for the second front panel, it would be great. So have this, and then 2 full balls of this. I know I'll 100% have enough of the lighter color, but I know I'll have enough for this. So listen, I planned this out accordingly. All right, so now I have to do the dreaded first row, but it's fine because we're finishing this today. Okay, goodbye for now. Hello, it's the next day. I don't think it's gonna brighten up. Okay, anyway, let me just, I could brighten it, right? So, it's the next day. I didn't do the sleeve. I finished the other front panel. And so now I'm looking at this sleeve and I'm like, all right, how long, like I can actually count to see how many clusters I need to go down to, but also I'm like, okay, this side is here, and now I just finished off on this side, and if I continued doing the sleeve like this, it wouldn't be right, because this is the wrong side, so I have to turn it this way. No, I have to turn it upside down. And so I stopped here. So I bound off here, and I need to start here to have the sleeve go like that, so that the fronts match. You see this thick stripe here and this thick stripe here? Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Guys, I finished it. Okay, here it is. Nope, here it is. The right front panel is done. I finished the sleeve, and then this left front panel is done, and then the back panel is done. Now, I was actually going to weave in, like I said before, I was going to weave in all of these ends before I put it together, but actually I want to weave them all in after. I'm going to count how many ends I have. Listen, I love weaving in my ends, and usually I weave them as I go, okay? But this time I'm intentionally leaving it for the end because I want to count all of my ends, and I also want to make its own video. So I think that will be it for today's video. I took an extra day to finish this, but honestly I didn't realize I would have enough daylight to actually start weaving in my ends today. But actually, wait a second. Yeah, I need to do the collar and the button band, which I don't think will take a long time. It's currently 3:37 p.m. so I have about 3-ish more hours of daylight, which means I need to start right now. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I can't believe I already finished all the panels. I'm gonna go pin these together so that I can just slip stitch everything together and start on the button band and a collar. Yeah, and if I don't start weaving in the ends today or tonight, I will definitely start tomorrow and then block it tomorrow as well. I need to find buttons. I don't know what buttons I'll be using, but it's fine because I don't put on the buttons until after blocking anyway, so that any shaping that changes, it doesn't change while I have the buttons on it, okay? Because I don't need my buttonholes getting bigger and then my buttons don't fit. My buttons already don't fit my first one because I put two small buttons. I put two tiny buttons. The buttons are too small for the buttonholes, but it's okay. It's okay. Anyway, that is it for now. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!